Hello friends, my name is Amul and in this video we are going to talk about Horizon. That's the world's most powerful Xbox 360 modding tool. Get out of your games. Basically get more out of your games instantly, okay? So you can download it from here and these are the features that you get with this Horizon modding tool for Xbox 360. Achievement Unlocker. Instantly unlock achievements and show off your shiny new game scores. Game tools, 130 tools for modding games like Call of Duty, FIFA, Forza Motorsport. Then progress transfer. Transfer your hand-earned game progress to other profiles. Awesome. Unlimited money. Use tools to gain unlimited currency for dozens of games. Avatar Award Unlocker. Level Skipper. So this is really good. So these are the features. Get started now. You can download it from here. Alright, so this is all about Horizon that is available on vmart.com/Horizon. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe for my channel. Goodbye, take care.